Okay, hello, my name is Muhammad Azim bin Romidi, and my metric number is BI2411041. Today, I will present to you lab 2 from KT14203, which is computer architecture and organization. So let- let's go to the code I write. So the first thing I do is uh, I declare the string, which at the data section. So I declare all the string that will that we will be using. So from to small message, some message, and thank you string. And I also reserve a word and I label it as output so that the value you enter at from will be stored in the word. So the next thing I do, I do the main the function for this program. So the first function is syscall for, which is to call the prompt, which is the string is please enter the value of n, and then after you enter the value of n, the code will go to syscall 5, which is to move the value of n to $t0, and then it will be stored there. So the next thing the code will do is to check whether the value of n is less than 2, which is the BLT2. If it's less than 2, then it will show the two small message, which is the inter n is less than 2, and it will say thank you. But if you input the input more than 2, it will sum. It will add the first and the last number. Since the first number is 1, I store it in T2. So the value you enter will be at with 1. So you will, for example, if you enter 4, it will add 1, and the sum of the first and the last number is 5. So I will show you the example for this. So this is the output. So if you enter 1, which is less than 2, it will set the enter n is less than 2, and thank you. But if you enter, wait, but if you enter more than 2, you can say 5. It will add 1 so that the sum of the first and the last number is 6, and it will say thank you. So so the thing I learned from this lab is to receive input in MIPS assembly using syscall, and to use condition and branches to control the program flow, and perform basic arithmetic, which is to add memory storage in MIPS, and I also display both message and result to the user in a structured way. I think that's all for me. Thank you.